Yo, what is up, guys? This is Akira Gaming again, and welcome back to another video of Pixelgot 3D. In today's video, guys, I'm gonna review, guys, the wait, what am I going to review? I'm not going to waste my gems because I'm earning for a new gun, so I can review it, guys. Wait, I'm earning for the secret. Okay, guys. Up. Guys, this is exists in real life. This is P90 in real life. And as you can see, guys, this is the best gun for beginners. And it is 16 damage, but except when it's level 1, it's just 60 capacity and just 10 damage. But when it's level 2, it's 16 damage. And when I was using this gun, my Liamaso just got pissed off. When he got pissed off, he told me, never use that gun anymore. He was just like heavy crystal armor, but I totally won. I was at heavy golden armor. He was so pissed off. We're trying this out, guys, at the arena. It is silent, guys, so that means the enemy can't really hear it. It looks, just listen to it. Listen to it, guys. It sounds like laser. I wanna be quiet for a moment. Sounds like laser, huh? Did you guys hear that? It sounds like laser. And the reloading animation is just like a toy. This gun looks like a toy from Real Assault. When it was not this update yet, I wanted to have Pixelgot 3D for unlimited gems and coins. But when I know, I search for Google for in YouTube for hacks. But I don't want to do it because I might get banned, or it's maybe not safe. On my level, this is not fair to be hacked because I will just get banned. For beginners only. Yes, be back for a while, guys. Okay, wait guys. So this is all it for this video, guys. So bye bye.